Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2017 through 2022 and possibly beyond Honda Civic 5-door hatchback. This system includes three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo load bars set of 2 offered in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components individually, starting with the fitting kit. So the fitting kit will include 4 of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and 4 contoured rubber base pads. There are numbers assigned to each, which are molded into the rubber here and stamped into the door frame bracket here. Those numbers will correspond with numbers that are included in the instruction sheet that comes with your fitting kit. Now, those will help you to identify where they go on each individual foot. So for example, when we take off this outer cover, you can see we've already applied one of the stickers that comes with the fitting kit to help you to determine which foot this will be. So this will be for the front left position, identified by the FL. So you would just look on your instruction sheet and see which rubber base pad is for that position. And then you just identify this pivoting base, press around the perimeter, and you've installed the base pad. Same thing, you just identify the number and then insert the corresponding door frame bracket. It'll click into place there. And there you've done one of the feet. So within the foot, you've got these 2 tabs, and those tabs are what allows you to slide the bar into place. Let's go and do that next. So this is the WingBar Evo load bar, known for its excellent aerodynamics. We've cut this one down so that you can see the construction. It is an extruded aluminum box beam construction, very stiff and strong. It has a dedicated track along the top. That track is accessed by pivoting the end cap out of the way, and you can slide the appropriate hardware in between the 2 pieces of rubber. No need to cut the rubber, just slide it in between and position that particular carrier where you need to along the bar, providing a very clean, integrated method of attachment for approved accessories. On the underside of the bar, you see another slot here. This is where the foot will be installed. Within this slot, we've got an measuring device, and that measuring device also has numbers that correspond to the instruction sheet, and that will ensure that you've positioned the foot properly on the bar. So let's do that next. So we have the foot here, and I'll press in on that silver tab and then slide the bar into place. Now we want to bring that foot against the tab when it's set to the correct measurement. Now that will leave an area here left over with the track that's exposed. Included with the load bars are extra rubber that you can install to improve the aerodynamics and keep a nice airflow on the underside of the bar. Then we can go ahead and put the end cap back on the place. It's just a press fit into place. When it comes time to tightening this onto the vehicle, the fastener is right there, and you just use this unique tool that's included with the foot pack. This tool has a handle that as you tighten and you get to the full tightness, the handle clicks, indicating you've tightened it properly. Then we can go ahead and replace the outer cover. That just snaps into position. There's a plastic plug that's included, and that plug, you just give it a quarter turn, and that'll hold that cover into place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with an actual keyed lock cylinder. That'll give you a higher level of security. So these lock cylinders are offered in a set of 4, so you can lock all 4 of your feet with one key. Now that can be extended out to a 6-pack or an 8-pack or even beyond when special ordering key matched lock cylinders. That way you can have all of your Thule one-key accessories all working off the same key. That may be bicycle carriers or ski carriers, or even the potential to key match a hitch bicycle carrier. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2017 through 2022 and beyond Honda four-door hatchback. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details on this product, as well as all your buying options. Also, when you receive the product, if you're ready to install, we have another video that'll go over the full installation on a vehicle, so you can see even in more detail how that's done. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.